In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a Wix menu to a specific section. 2026 guide. Anchoring is a simple but powerful way to improve navigation on your Wix site. Instead of loading a new page, your visitors can click a menu item and smoothly scroll to a specific part of the page. This same approach also works for buttons and hyperlinked text, so once you know it, you can use it throughout your site. First, get the section ready. Scroll to the part of the page you want people to land on. For your own organization, it helps to rename that section in the editor, something short and clear that reminds you what it is. This doesn't change what visitors see, it just makes it easier to find later when you're connecting links. Next, add the anchor. Click Add Elements, go to Menu and Anchor, and drag the blue anchor icon into that section. Don't worry about how it looks. Anchors are invisible on the live site. Give the anchor a concise, memorable name so you can identify it when linking, like test anchor. A quick tip here. If you have a sticky header, place the anchor slightly below the top of the section. That way, when visitors scroll to it, the header won't cover your headline. Now connect the menu item. Click your site's menu and select Manage Menu. Choose Add Menu Item, then pick the anchor option. In the link settings, select the page where the section lives, such as your homepage, and then choose the exact section or the anchor you just named. Click Done to save. You can also rename the menu label at this point so it reads exactly how you want in your navigation and reposition it in the menu if needed. If you'd rather link a button or a piece of text, the process is similar. Select the button, click the link icon, choose section or anchor, pick the page, and then choose the correct section or anchor. For text, highlight the words you want to make clickable, click the link icon, and follow the same steps to point it to your anchor. Finally, preview and test. Click preview and try the new link. You should see the page glide smoothly to the exact spot. If it lands slightly too high or too low, return to the editor and nudge the anchor's position to fine-tune the landing point. Also, check on different screen sizes to confirm the scroll feels natural everywhere. That's it. You've anchored your Wix menu and any buttons or text to a specific section for a smoother, more professional user experience.